Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how easy you can install games on this TV. So at the first we have to grab our remote control, we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network, and we have to simply go for the Play Store. So when we open the Play Store, let me just bring Play Store to the screen. When we open Play Store and when we are logging to our Google account, we are able to make quick search. Here below we can find feature apps, and here we got also games. Of course you can make manually search by going for the search and then typing the name of the game that you want to find. You can also go for the games right here, and as you can see here we got the couple of the games. For example, we can pick the Crossy Road chicken. We can install that application very quickly. Now just be patient and wait. Okay, as you can see we can play on the TV, but we have to get the gamepad. Unfortunately I don't have the gamepad, so I'm not able to play, but let's check maybe other game like this one. What about the bowling? Okay, here we have also get the gamepad. So probably to play on the TV you have to get the gamepad for every game. I think we can change maybe this one, Caterzillar. Okay, we have to pay for it, so I'm not going to. Oh, let's maybe go for the tennis champs, or maybe for some kind of the rally. Yeah, we have also to get the gamepad. So let's try to get this one. Let's open it. As you can see, that's how we can find and install games, and to play you have to connect the gamepad. Let me just turn off volume a little bit. We have to input our age. As you can see we can navigate through the menu, but take a look. Oh, as you can see we can play without the gamepad, so that's not true. So we can simply use arrows on your remote control and you are able to play that funny game. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.